down. Yeah, it sure is. You want to go out there and play in it, don't you? I mean, yeah, it looks like it could be fun. Of course it would be. It's rain. Rain's awesome. Just kind of kicking and splashing the puddles around. It'd be like you're 7 years old again. Yeah, it's just, I don't know. Oh, come on. What are you so worried about? Well, after I go out there and get soaking wet, you could just take over my body and then jump in my bed and get all my fresh, clean sheets wet. Why the f*** would I do that? Well, I don't know. You're kind of manipulating me right now to go outside, so it just kind of makes sense. I'm your f***ing conscience. How the hell would I do that? How would I know? I just assumed there was a way. And also, what advantage do I have in doing that? I live in your head, dumbass, so I'm basically sleeping in the same bed as you. So why the hell would I do that? So I can dream about drowning in my sleep? Okay, I get the picture. Jeez, you're mean. I'm only mean because you're a douchebag. Alright. There's also a f***ing pansy for not wanting to go out in the rain. Alright, I get it. Then make up your mind. What are you gonna do? Alright, it's settled. I'm going out. Alright then go play in that rain. You earned this.
You son of a bitch! What is for me but the thunder and lightning? What the hell was I supposed to know that it was thunder and lightning out there? I lived in your mind. I goddamn hate the thought, hate you, hate you. Likewise, even if you have a point. God, I wish you had a twin brother, then I could just go move into his mind instead. Likewise, at the same time. God damn it! I feel like a freaking Looney Tune after getting zapped.
Hey, if you like that video, guess what? YouTube picked out a video just for you on the left. Or, if you want to take my advice, watch the most recent video on the right. Thanks for watching.